Hello everyone. I'd like to play for you the Chopin Prelude in E minor, Opus 28, number 4, and I'm going to try it for memory. So close, not there yet, but so close. What I'm doing is I've written out for the repeated, I'm going to show you what's going on here in this score. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's all these repeated notes, chords in the left hand, and there's 8 of them in the first bar. There's 4 the same and then 4 different, and it's the number of them all the way through. So I went through and I made a table of each line. Maybe if I turn this light off it'd be better. No, there. Each line, and I put where the changes happen in each bar. So this line is the first line of the piece, the second line, third, fourth, fifth, sixth lines. And so each one, I got the number of bars before, a number of beats out of 8 before it changes. So the first bar, the first full bar, is 8 full notes of the same chord, 8 repetitions of the same chord. Then it's 4 of a different chord, and then 2, and then 2 different. So it's 8, and then it's 4 and 4, and then it's 4 and 2 and 2. And so on throughout the whole piece, as a crutch to try and remember where to change, because the harmony changing, the simple melody is so easy to follow, but it has to have that underlying support. So I'll just try it once again, only with the notes this time. Put the light back on. So where I would go 1, 2, 3, 4, same thing, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, that plays on 7. So it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the left changes for 4, 3, and then it changes for the next 4. Now here it changes again for 4. Two different, now 4. Now 2 different, now 4. So that's what I've got to memorize, is that sequence. And then I'll be able to feel comfortable with where I'm at in each bar of each line of the whole piece. It's very complicated just to know where it changes. So here we go. And when I play a note in the melody, it's as though there's a wave coming out of the piano over to the listener's ear. And I want that to be a comfortable, loving kind of a sound. And it's like you're playing to God. You're playing to some being that can really appreciate the differences. And so it's not just playing the notes by repeating them. You're coming in with a relaxed wrist, the wave in the wrist, and when you sink into the key, you're going on the flat, fleshy part of the finger, so that it gives that warm color that could reach rosette Z in the audience, and you're balanced there, and then crawling and linking over to the next note. But the left has to go down, and then don't let it all the way up. But at the very end, if you count it up to 10, it's at the last split second. You just go part way up and you're back down, so that the dampers don't go right onto that chord and make a silence. So you're down for the full length, then you go up, down, up to 8, and then that kind of thing. So here we go. No, I want more tone.